Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be talking about the tips for creating irresistible video titles every time 2026 a complete walkthrough. Alright guys, so if your video isn't getting enough clicks, it's not really the content, it's more of the title. Sometimes, or rather as we know, titles tend to grab attention. So basically having a right title is as good as having the best video on the internet. Now, in this video, I'll show you the proven title formulas that creators use in 2026 to boost their clicks instantly. Your first tip is starting with the result, not the process. So a bad title would most likely look like how I edited a video in CapCut. That is a bad title. A better title would be edit viral videos in CapCut in 5 minutes. Now that leans more on people seeing the viral video than how you actually edited a video in CapCut. Most people are interested in results rather than they are in other things. And to add to that, people actually click on results rather than steps. So keep that in mind as well. Now, another tip is using curiosity gaps. So a curiosity gap actually makes viewers click. How does that work? An example would be this YouTube setting is killing your views. That is a curiosity gap. They would want to know what is killing their views. So sometimes you might need to lean on results, sometimes you might need to lean on curiosity gaps, and other times you might just need to combine the both of them. Basically, another example of this is I tried this AI tool, the results shocked me. That is weighing on the curiosity results, that is weighing on the curiosity gap and also on results. So you don't need to explain everything in your title, just leave one unanswered question. That's how curiosity gaps work. Moving over to the next tip, we have adding a clear time or effort. Basically, titles perform better when they feel easy, like growing a TikTok channel in 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes, 7 seconds, or building a website in 10 minutes, or making money online with $0. I've just listed like some of the best titles you can apply to your video, depending on what kind of content you are in. Now, another side note or side tip I would like to talk about is curating your titles based on your niche. A lot of people end up overdoing things when they step out of their niches domain and start using titles from other platforms. It's good to integrate with other platforms or rather other niches, but when it comes to a niche that is around soccer, that is around food, you do not need to be putting in some sort of results or curiosity gap as the case might be, and other times it is recommended. Now, another tip is using power words. So sprinkle in some emotional triggers like secret, proven, hidden, mistake, free, simple, fast, loud, carefree, human. Those are the kind of words that actually trigger emotions. And also, I would recommend, this is another tip, I would recommend rage baiting. You could rage bait someone using your titles alone, and that would get you a lot of views in a couple of seconds. Rage baiting is not really ethical, but you can try it as one of the proven methods of getting clicks on your videos. Because at the end of the day, you're looking to uh, drag attention, drag customers, drag viewers to your video. So the title needs to stand out. Now, another tip is avoiding clickbaits. So make sure to match the content. So whether you're rage baiting or you're clickbaiting, always make sure it coincides with the content you're trying to put out there. Clickbaits get clicks once, but trust builds more channels, and more channels equals more viewers equals more profit. As you're looking to profit, the video must deliver exactly what the title promises, and that is one of the best ways to get people stuck on your content. And also, another tip is, using numbers and specifiers. So, specific titles actually beat generic titles. You don't have to copy everything off of YouTube. You can come up with something unique. You can come up with something new, never seen. And an example of this would be 5 AI tools that replace paid software. In most cases, you wouldn't really see a title like that on YouTube, but you could simply use a platform like ChatGPT to simply curate this response. You could just ask ChatGPT to improve your title. You could even use ChatGPT to generate unique and never heard or never seen before rage baits, clickbaits, that kind of thing. And then you can also use other AI platforms to generate a thumbnail that matches your title, like Canva AI. So you could just, a simple Google search would help. All you need to, let's go ahead and open ChatGPT in a new tab. But you could just simply search for something as simple as CapCut. So you could just simply search for Canva AI. Just simply search for Canva AI, and you'd find Canva AI here, and you can use it to curate a thumbnail that matches your title. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.